Hello and welcome to your 2-minute tech briefing from Computer World. I'm your host, Arnold Davik, reporting from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Here are the top IT news stories you need to know for Thursday, October 30th. Let's dive in. From CSO Online, Google's grand plan to replace browser cookies has quietly come to an end. The company is discontinuing 11 privacy sandbox technologies. The move will effectively shut down the initiative once touted as the future of privacy-friendly advertising. Launched in 2019, Privacy Sandbox aimed to help advertisers target users without third-party cookies, but critics argued it only reinforced Google's market power. From Network World, work has already begun on Wi-Fi 8, the next major upgrade to the world's most popular wireless standard. Wi-Fi 8 is designed not only for speed, but for consistent performance, even in tough network conditions. The new standard is intended to optimize AI workloads at the network edge. Broadcom has already announced the first Wi-Fi 8 silicon, kicking off what could be a new era of AI-ready connectivity. The upgrade is expected to be finalized by 2028. And from Computer World, Intel's next generation Panther Lake chip could mark a major step toward turning Windows 11 into a more AI-driven agentic operating system. Launching in early 2026, Panther Lake meets Microsoft's Copilot Plus PC standards and supports over 500 AI features. This positions it to run a new wave of intelligent, self-directed applications. Analysts say it's a glimpse of how the AI PC revolution could eventually reshape personal computing. That's today's 2-minute tech briefing. For more enterprise tech updates, visit Computer World, CSO Online, and Network World. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Talk on YouTube.